Looking for Excel Power Up content? This is a quick update as of February 2021. Power Up training launched in October 2020, and our first goal was to provide a complete set of PowerPoint classes on topics for beginners and advanced users on PowerPoint. PowerPoint is easy. There's a specific start and a middle and an end to most presentation projects. Excel, however, is much more complicated. It's a favorite tool of mine, and I have years of experience using Excel as an equity investment portfolio manager, a small business owner, and as a project manager for dozens of multi-million-dollar technology projects. I've used Excel for tracking and modeling and forecasting, and I'm even ashamed to admit it a little bit, even as a database. I do know Excel. I can help you leverage it in your career. Look forward to our training videos starting later this year. And if you have a particular topic you'd like for me to cover first, leave them in the comments below, and I will prioritize them by popularity. Until then, do subscribe to our channel, as it encourages me to make more free content for you. Hang in there, and it will soon power you up on Excel later in 2021.